How's it going? My name is Cameron Stewart, Principal Product Manager here at SolarEdge, and I wanted to just quickly show you the different brackets that are available for the SolarEdge Nexis system. First, let's talk about the optional wall mount bracket. That's the bracket on the bottom here that would be used if you want to wall mount the battery and no longer leave it resting on the floor. The next bracket is this one. This is the Nexis battery block tilt bracket. It prevents the battery from tilting when the battery is floor mounted. The tilt bracket comes inside the Nexis Link box in addition to this extension piece. This allows you to hit two studs if your battery stack is not centered on a stud. The last bracket I want to mention is the SolarEdge Nexis inverter bracket. The inverter bracket allows the inverter to be either wall mounted or floor stacked, as you see here. The inverter bracket comes with every single SolarEdge Nexis inverter. I hope that helps, and again, my name is Cameron. Stay sunny and stay optimized.